The mission of this video is simple: to show you how easy it is to create and debug cron jobs in WordPress. We will write some code that will send email every day. So first of all, I got local installed on my machine with a fresh new WordPress environment. I've also created the simplest WordPress theme possible that consists of a zip folder with an index, functions.php, and style.css, and this one with this requirement, comment of the theme name. Okay, so now let's create a function to send an email and place it in our index.php. That's our front page. Each time we refresh it, the function will run. Let me close this tab here, add the code. So what this code does is to use the WP-Mail function that requires an email, a subject, and a message. And I've added this content as variables here. So let me save it. And to test it out, let's come here to our local. And right here in Tools, MailHog, open MailHog. Let me add it here. Let me delete all messages. So now we have this code in our index.php. So as soon as we come here and visit the site, this should have been triggered. So let's come here to MailHog, and as you can see, the test was successful, sending to the email our subject and our message. Now let's create a cron job to send this email once a day, shall we? Let's go to our function.php and register our cron job. And it's as simple as a single line of code. So this is the hook name, followed by the function that we want to run. Let me open it here. So now let's cut the WP-Mail function from our index and paste it inside our sendMail function. Let's save it. Cool, so now how we may configure and analyze our cron jobs. There may be lots of ways to do this, but I found a plugin that makes this task easy enough. So to install it, let me access WP admin here, go to plugins, click add new plugin, and here I already have it. So after you install and activate it, you will see this event. So you may just click it here. And now let me delete this one so we can do it together. You just need to come here, add new, and here in the hook name, you can copy our cron job name and place it here. And we may also set it to start running from tomorrow at 7 AM. And we may repeat it daily. Now you just need to press add event to save it. And if you come here to custom event, you will see it here. And as you can see, when you hover over it, there's this option to run now. So let's open MailHog here and click to run now. Okay, now let's check it, and a few seconds ago, so it was successfully triggered. Okay, great, so we managed to debug this cron job by clicking the run now button. But how to debug it faster and with the option of using var dump, for example? So while searching on the internet, I came across this post from WP Master on Stack Exchange, and this is the method that I'll show to you in this video. So let's come here, and in our functions.php, let's add this code to test the cron job. So what does this code do? It will first check if we have the parameter cron test in the URL. If it's not present, it will just return and stop working. But if it is present, it will proceed by running our cron job send email cron. So to test it out, we may simply access our front page here and add the parameter cron test. Let me save it here, open here the email. So 2 minutes ago, let me try to refresh the page. Okay, page refresh it. Okay, let me try adding it again here. Now it worked, so we can see it sent correctly. Perfect, it's working, so let's comment out here. For now, I'm using Ctrl-K and Ctrl-C to comment, or Ctrl-K and then U to undo it to activate the code again. So KC, KU. Let me comment it out and update our function to print the current day of the week instead of the hard-coded Monday. So let's add it like this. In PHP, we may use the date function with a lowercase l inside of it to return the current day of the week. So let's save it and access this again. As we can see, the var dump is working correctly and is showing today that it's Wednesday. Okay, so now I may remove here with Shift Del and reactivate with Ctrl-KU. Let's save it and also update the message here to today is today from the variable. To use this syntax, we need to do it with double quotes. Let me save it. So if you run one more test, we can see that email is being successfully sent with the correct day of the week. Let's see it. Few seconds ago, today is Wednesday. Perfect. Okay, so of course that this one is just a simple example, but feel free to make it as complex as you want. We do code to make life easier. And an important note, the WP-Cron is not a real cron. It depends on website visits to trigger the cron jobs. So feel free to use services such as cronjob.org. You just need to create an account here, sign in, then click create cron job and add a title, the site URL, and how often you want to trigger it. And that's it for this video. So how did you like it? Do you love working with WordPress as well? Feel free to check out this channel regularly for new WordPress tutorials. See you in the next one.